five people have already come on. Just five,
Okay.
six left. 2 minutes more.
Okay. Yeah. No worry.
Yeah. Yeah, Tanishka, what is it?
वो इम्पोर्टेंट था वो भलानी में दे रखा था.
Afternoon, sir. Myself, Varsha Yadav. I have a question. Hello.
Yes, Varsha.
Okay.
Go ahead,
Yes,
Varsha.
Sir, if interviewer asked us that how to deal with the questions like why we select you in the armed forces, so how to deal such type of questions, and also if you are not going to recommend it this time, then what is your plan B? This type of questions, how to handle in a logical manner.
Okay. Before I come down to yours, I think we had a question when we were taking that break. Ria's question on structuring the story. Hello?
Just,
Hello.
Yeah, Ria, coming back to your question.
Yuvraj Singh, mute yourself. Yuvraj Singh, mute yourself. Yuvraj Singh, mute yourself. Varun, just mute him, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, Ria, as far as structuring of a story is concerned, it's something which you will have to only practice, because there is no solution to this. You see, you're working against time. And when you're working against time, you're supposed to put in the first thoughts that come to your mind, which is why when I mentioned about positivity within you, because that is where the entire positivity comes in. Now, how would this flow? The option is, in fact, the only solution is to go in for practice, or you don't have to write it. You don't have to write it. Even if you're lying down or you're about to sleep or you're sitting around or you're taking your morning walk, wherever you are, choose these topics and create your story mentally. No matter where, whatever time you get, try and create it mentally, because it is only by working on it can you develop it. The other problem, which I can possibly understand with you, is you are possibly thinking in Hindi and translating it into English and writing. Am I right, Ria?
Yes, sir.
That is wrong. Because if you're going to think and mentally translate, you will always find gaps in the translation. It is not because of the thinking process. It is trying to get suitable words in English to meet your line of thought of possibly Hindi or whichever language you're basically thinking. My request to you is try and start thinking in English.
Okay, sir.
When you think in English, you're not going to spend time seeking the right words. The flow will come automatically. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So, one more point.
Yeah, please go ahead, Priya.
So, in VAT also, like yesterday I practiced 60 words. In most of them, one of my friends told me that you are not displaying those OLQs. Some of your words are like, they are normal words. You have not been displaying any kind of OLQ in your words. Like for the first word, face. I wrote, face all obstacles to be brave.
No, sorry, I can't hear you clearly.
So while practicing the VAT, I asked my friend to check them and give me the reviews. My friend said to me that in my VAT, I am not displaying any kind of OLQ. For example, the word is face. I wrote, face all obstacles to be brave. So my friend said that you are not displaying any kind of OLQ in this sentence. So sir, please tell me that how should I frame such sentences so that I am able to display these OLQs?
See, what normally you would try and look in a sentence is to see positivity. See everything bright. See everything on a, in a clear face. I mean, like if you say daylight or light, light means something, which is bright, shiny, happy. You're trying to project a positive image of yourself.
Okay, sir.
Any word that you choose, try and look at it. That is the main thing that you're seeing. You see, your character, individual character, all that flows through every test. Each test is designed to judge your character. A large part of your OLQ comes out even in your GTO and in your other tasks or your interview. Here in the psychological test, we are more looking to see the inner you. Are you positive? Do you have qualities? Basic qualities will come out in the way you frame your sentence. I remember when we had set up a coaching institute, and we had students who came in, and within the first hour you could make out yes, no. The moment you did the first test, because there was so much
Okay, sir.
negativity which would flow. So you've got to look at it from that brighter angle. Everything is good, everything is nice, everything is bright. I am happy, I'm positive, I'm satisfied. That is the sort of look that you've got to go.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay,
I
so when you're
understood.
writing your
Yes, sir.
sentences, look in that light. Done?
Yeah, Varsha, your question?
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir,
Good
my
afternoon,
question
Varsha.
is that how to deal the such type of question that why will we recommended you? And the second question is that if you are not going to recommend it this time, so what was your next plan or your plan B? So how to deal with this type of question in a logical manner?
All right. When it comes down to why should we recommend you? The answer should be that for me, this is the service that I want, number one. Number two, I know I have the capabilities to do well in the service. And finally, if I'm not recommended, I will not be the loser, the service will be the loser. If you're not going to be recommended, what will you do now? The first thing I will do is I will sit back, assess myself, look at what went wrong. What character am I lacking that I was not selected? If I can rectify the character flaw within me, change myself accordingly, and if I can re-come for the interview, I definitely will. But if I feel that the character flaw cannot be changed and there is something wrong within me, I will choose another career. You have to display, number one, confidence.
Yes,
Number
sir.
two, I mean, you don't have to say that, like, for me, this is my life, my determination. No. You've got to display the confidence that, look, I am confident you will select me.
Mhm.
And if you don't select me, fine, I've got something else. I've got better options. I will go elsewhere. You're the one who's going to lose. When you're asked, what if you're not selected? Then again, it's going to be confidence. Reassess. Determine my fault. Give it a try, otherwise go elsewhere. This is not the only thing. I've got better options. I'm more qualified. Somebody else will find me even better. You have to display that strength of yours inside. You should not be saying, agar ye nahi mila, to kuch nahi mila, to bachpan se yahi tha, this is the end. That will not give, the strength that you've got inside will not be shown.
Right, sir.
Yeah, next question.
Sir, the
Jain,
other
sir.
question is that, sir, I have one question more. So the
Okay.
question is that if we are well good in academics, but because of some things we are not participating much in sports, then we should say that okay, we are participated in not like in a for the sports only, not to in a competitive or represent any college or university. But if you're not participating in extracurricular activity also, so what will be our answer? Because we have to fill in the PIQ form. So how to fill in that PIQ form about the sports? So please unmute yourself.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, as far as the sports filling up is concerned, it is not talking of levels.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but there is always one factor you must note. When you fill in a sport, do not fill in a sport for the sake of a sport.
Yes, sir.
Invariably, people will say that I play cricket. Nobody is asking you, I mean, okay, fine, you have the column of school, college. No one's going to ask you to go there on the ground and check. But the moment you fill in a sport, you have to be sure about that sport because you may be questioned on it somewhere in the interview.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number two is everybody is not a sportsman. You are participating, you're playing, but you're playing for the sake of playing. I mean, I was not in any sports team at the school level or beyond. But everyone plays at the lower level. I mean, you all played in families, you all played in buildings, you played wherever you stayed.
Yes,
So
sir.
it's not that. The fact is, when you display sports and you display extracurricular activities, what does it indicate to the interviewer or to the person who's saying? That you are a social human. You
Yes,
are
sir.
interacting with people. But when you say that I don't participate in sports and I don't participate in extracurricular activities, you are displaying that you're a loner.
Yes, sir.
You do not like to mix, you do not like to interact. Now that is a negative trait.
No, sir. Actually, I participated in so many activities and sports also, but I'm not representing any college or school.
That is
university.
all right.
That's not a big
That is okay. As long as you're participating, mention you're participating.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But if you say I'm not participating in sports, I'm not in extracurricular, the first thing is I'm a loner. I don't meet anybody. I don't mix with anybody. That is not what you want to project, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, last question. The general
Hello,
has
sir.
been
I have a question, please.
okay,
Sir, one
Kelly,
question,
last,
please.
last
Good
question.
afternoon,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Good
So
afternoon.
this is Niket Kumar. I just need to
Okay.
ask how to get the structured thinking in ourselves, because I just want to inculcate this habit of getting structured thinking in myself. So
That's a very interesting question. Let me now work on it because I do a lot of that, but I don't. I mean, I have got my mind done to do work on it. Okay, let's take it on. Let me try and put you through an example. Okay, let's work on it backwards. That is one possible way while we can achieve it. Now, if you take any incident of Ladakh, let's take the Galwan Valley incident. Try and work backwards as to how did it happen. Sequential. You can take an incident of your life, you can take an incident within the family, work backwards, work forwards. Structural thinking is to take a logical sequence of action. If you're looking, now, if that is one way of doing it is to work backwards, the other way is to go forward. Today, let's say you're in college. And today I tell you, all right, I want you to put yourself up as CEO of Microsoft 20 years from now. How are you going to achieve it 20 years from now? What are you going to study? What are you going to go through? Which sequential procedure are you going to follow? It is only by working through a sequential procedure will you go through. How people tell you to do it is to take an end state. Let's say India is to achieve doubling its economy by 2030. How will you go about it? If you were the finance minister, note down the stages. This is one example. There can be so many more which you would need to work on. But that is the only way you can go through a process of reaching a structured thinking.
okay, sir, I got it, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, can I ask one question?
Yeah, ask your question.
Sir, good evening, sir. My question is, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, my question is, sir. Yeah, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, sir. My question is, how do we handle stress, especially when we're going for an interview? A military officer is sitting right in front of us, and at that particular moment, I feel in most of my life I come under stress in such kind of situations. So, from your personal experience, can you elaborate more on handling stress or how to overcome the fear of being stressful, sir?
Okay. Stress is natural in human beings. That's the first thing we need to know. What is different are the levels of stress that exist between all of us. Now, at times levels are high, at times levels are low. The first thing you've got to realize when you're going for the interview, first thing you've got to know is he's not God. He's not going to judge anything. He is one of the three people who's going to judge you. He, the GTO, and the psychiatrist. So you don't have to be that fearful. Number three, what's the worst he can do? Tell you you're unfit? What more can he do? He can't take you to the firing range and shoot at you. He can't throw you on the roads. He can't tell you get out from here and go and head straight to the railway station and catch the train. So what can he do? That's the worst he can tell you is you're not suitable. That also he can't tell you then. He can only tell you at the time of the conference. So why are you worried? Finally, before you walk into any interview or any of these such events, halt outside. Take a few deep breaths. Slow, deep breath. Cool your mind. Cool your brains. Once you've done that, then walk. Okay?
Okay, gentlemen, I think Jal Takkad has done a
Hello, sir.
Yeah, well, I think we'll call it off. The general officer has some commitment after this. So he's done a wonderful job, answered almost all your questions, and whatever balance questions are there, we'll request him to come once again with us at a later date. And secondly, at 5 o'clock, the session for the crash course is going to start. And I want you all to come back on that course, at least for some time, if you have some other commitments. So meanwhile, the general has tried to tell you what all is valid, how to handle the difficult situations during SSB. And I'm sure you all are very much enlightened, especially the question by Nikit. And that is a wonderful question. In fact, I've heard this question for the first time. And we'll discuss and we'll debate over it a little later furthermore. And sir, thank you very much. Thanks for sparing some of your time. And
Thank you, sir.
we hope to see
Thank
you
you,
again,
sir. Thank you.
So all of you, please.
It'll be a pleasure.
All of you, please unmute and please give a ovation to the general. All of you,
Thank you. Thanks, Zeman.
unmute and give ovation.
Thanks a lot for sparing your time for us.
Thank you, sir.
So much, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.
Pleasure
Thank
and
you.
honor, sir, talking to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you. Take care. Thanks a ton and a pleasure to get back with you all again.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We'll surely look forward to it, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Done. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Jai Hind, sir.
Thank you. Bye, Jai.
Okay, guys, you can take 10 minutes break and get back. I'll tell you that today we're going to discuss about screening process. So that is important. Plus certain important announcements I'll make. And those of you who are not immediately affected for the SSB and don't want the crash course, you can go after say after 10 minutes, you all can leave. And others who can stay put, those 12 candidates whose SSB starts on 6th of August, they can stay back for the screening process. We'll discuss that. Is that okay for you?
Yes, sir.
See you all.
Yes, sir.
Come back, come back with the same Zoom link at 5 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.